is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome today. Guys, it is another cold one. The truck sat for 3 days, 3 full days, not being ran in freezing temperatures. I'm talking like 10s to 12s, you know, in that area. Just came out here and started up. It took a little bit of a go, but I think what I kind of did was I gave it a little bit too much throttle twice the first 2 times. Not to mention it was cold, no block heat or nothing. I let the grid heater cycle 2 times, and then it fired up, you know, not too difficult. Definitely not as worse as it's been before when the batteries were almost dead. This is another day, guys. I don't know entirely sure what I'm gonna do, so just hang in there, stay tuned, and hopefully something interesting comes out of this vlog. Oh, here he is, my buddy Joshua with the old 98 2500. There goes some ice. How's it going?
Great.
Good, good.
Fantastic.
Here's your light bar. They haven't seen you yet, but
freaking cool.
It's a good looking light bar. I'm telling you, it's freaking sweet.
Jeez. Alright, let's look at this battery.
Yeah. Let's close this garage door too. Yeah. Keep them heated.
It's real warm in there.
Yeah. Oh. Alright, here.
Oh, Billy Bob.
Oh, what do you mean difficult? It's right there.
They definitely come out. I take them out all the time.
Okay. Just, yeah. It was just a weird battery because like our Dodgers, our Fords, all of them are all right up on top. And this one's like bolted into the side of the battery, so it's a little bit different.
The battery itself, like, doesn't have external anything. It just, these unscrew from the battery.
Oh, that's, yeah, it's different. It's different, but obviously, I mean, guys have done this a lot of times, so. Do you have an option for another battery over here?
Yeah.
Or you can just move your battery over here.
I'm sure I could stick another battery in there for something.
We can back up.
Yeah, Dad's has 2 in it. His old Chevy.
Well, by the way, this is a 42-inch. I think this is spin. Basically 6-0 flow. Those of you who know who he was, you know, YouTuber that ditched YouTube, right?
Yeah.
No, what? This was a light bar that he got sent in, and he's like, dude, I feel bad because I can't make a video on it because I don't have a place to put it. How about, you know, I just send it with you, make a video installing it on Joshua's truck. So, we gotta make this hole bigger in this firewall because this guy has got to fit through.
Is that gonna come through?
Oh, that whole big wad of crap? No. I got, here, let's get this all pulled apart. What we're probably gonna end up doing with this light bar is mounting it on top of his brush guard, and the reason for that is, well, the brush guard's on it, obviously, and we'd rather not drill through the bumper, and that's not really an option anyways with that bar down there. And then if we mounted it like down on the front of this bar, so it's at level with this big bar here, it would block some of the vision of his lights. So that's the reason we don't want to do that. But
how much do we need to cut out?
what do you mean?
I mean, it shaved it open to this side.
Okay, let me see. Let me see. Oh gosh. Well, I think that's good. Do you think that's good?
I mean, it just looks like the same size to me. Where's it at? Let's see if we can push it through here again.
Okay, well, we're gonna try to get this wired up, and we'll get back when we are actually getting ready to mount up the light bar itself. Yeah, guys, I know the light bar comments. Here they come. Here they come. What do you have to say about that, Joshua?
Another loud and light bars video.
That's not funny. Listen, I was so desperate for content today. It is okay, it's night. It's not just the end of the day, it's night. It is nighttime. Trying to come up with ideas all day, and I was just like falling asleep, and I was like tired. I was trying to come up with ideas, and it was just taking forever, and I was just like, Joshua, come get this light bar, we'll install it. So that's what we're doing. Don't hate on the light bars. Listen, light bars, they're very useful, okay? I use mine all the time. Dad said he wants one on his truck.
I'm gonna break this.
Please don't. Yeah, so this is the way we have his battery hooked up. We got the positive there, got the grounded off here. We just zip tied it to this factory wiring harness that's connecting, you know, to the battery here, over to the firewall on that side, and ran it through, and just got it in on the switch in there. They go through.
Yeah. We'll just ram it out and make it bigger.
Yeah, this truck's actually got its second engine in it, doesn't it?
Yeah,
How many miles?
195 or something. The body's got more than that. It's like almost 200,000 on the body, like 195 on it.
I've had this truck a handful of years now. How many years you had this thing?
Since 2014.
2014? About 4 years, man. Okay, we're in business. We got the vlog camera set up and everything. Okay. We good. We got you. I got you. Okay. So, we got these holes pre-drilled. He drilled them out. And we got the bolts that come with this light bar weren't big enough for this application, but for most applications, it's gonna be fine. Like you're going through a thin bumper, or you want to drill through the hood of your truck or something. I don't know. Do whatever you want. But we're doing that. Okay, dude, you didn't get that stuff slacker, bro.
What?
We need this off,
Dude,
we need this off.
you didn't give me my nuts.
So we have just wrapped up the light bar install on this truck, and guys, it actually looks pretty good. Some of you guys are gonna argue that and say, oh dude, it looks stupid, whatever. I don't really care, man. It looks good. You know what's right there? There's not really many other places you can put it. You can't mount it on the roof if you drill through your cab, which we're not doing. But yeah, we got the hooked up to the battery. We got it grounded off right there. We just zip tied this to this cable here. Ran it across, ran it down through, zip tied it all off into the firewall. Here's the wiring right here. It comes out of the light bar. And just got a zip tied right there, back behind, and then zip tied down, snug up against here on the back side, snug right up down there through the bump. Oh gosh, that is bright. Right down through here. And just snuck it down right through the bumper there. And just ran it up through, got all the extras zip tied together, bundled up, and out of the way. But yeah, what do you think about it?
It looks great.
It's good. It's bright. Excited. We're about to see how bright it is. Everything's out from under there. We hope so.
I thought it was. It looks. Doesn't look bad.
No, bro, it's good.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's get out of
And
here.
like I said, we were thinking about mounting it down in front, but then it would have interfered with his headlights and blocking the headlights. You know what I'm saying? So, this is for off-road use only. Correct, Joshua?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let's get this thing backed out and, yeah. Real quick story.
What's up?
So, why did you need a new engine?
Oh, well, in high school, I like to drive fast. And one day I woke up and I was like, well, I live about 15 minutes from my school. And I woke up and school started in 8 minutes. Let's just say I got there in 8 minutes. And once I stopped to pull into the parking lot, my truck was knocking all kinds of places. So I ended up bending a rod real bad, cracking a head.
He's like, you see these titanium rods? These don't bend.
They're not supposed to.
Or this thing looks like a banana.
I might have it. I don't know. That used to happen here, like remind me not to go super fast.
Look at this light bar. I'll leave a link to this if I can find it down in the description below. This is an aux beam. Like I said, aux beam didn't send this to me. My buddy from PA sent it with me home and said, hey, give this to Joshua. Put it on his truck because I don't have use for it. So, but I will leave a link to this down in the description below. This is kind of like different. It's got like I said, it's almost like a projector. Like a projector style LED, those bulbs. It's different, but it's cool. It's cool. You don't have it on you?
No, I don't.
Yeah. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Well, let's get this out, see how bright it is, and get inside because it's freaking cold.
Alright.
It's been snowing all day. We did an old muffler delete on this, and that dumped it under the cab. That's just awesome, isn't it?
So annoying.
It's so awesome. It sounds good from the outside. Dang. That thing is bright. No justice on camera, bro. Man, that's bright. Shine it out towards the field once. I'm so cold right now, guys. It's not even funny. But I'm trying to get you guys video. Look how bright that is. Oh, the bridge kind of blocks the view, but
Take a video on my phone.
look at that light bar.
That's how people's headlights look in 2017.
Get LEDs. You can get LEDs in your headlights.
Really?
You can swap out the bulbs.
Looks good.
Dude, that's freaking bright, dude.
Yeah.
Here's the old dually.
Oh yeah.
The old dually.
Doing what I love, going day to day, but I know it takes time and I'm patiently waiting. Sometimes I contemplate, cause one day you feel so close and the next is out of sight. But I know I gotta hold on tight to go back to just going out every night. Like if I'm about to let it go now, I can live alright, live a normal life, doing 9 to 5. But I know I'm more than that. I gained this skill, wasn't born with that. At the end of the life, it's a memory.